Class 11th students, I will discuss one of the topic in this lesson. It is merits of graphical representation. We graph our data, whatever it is merits. There are simply some of the merits. We have one or two limitations also. First, we will discuss the merits of graphical representation. Number first merit of graphical representation is the graphical representation or to make the graphs, the construct the graphs is simple. It is simple and also it is attractive and attractive. So it is simple. The graphical representation is simple and attractive method of data presentation. डेटा को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए ये मेथड graphical representation is simple and attractive. Also, number second is it saves time. It saves time. It saves time and labor. It saves time and labor as compared to other methods. When we are going to present our data, graphical presentation is such a method which saves time and labor. Number third method is the time series and frequency distributions are easily presented with graphs. The time series data as well as frequency distribution series. Frequency distribution series are easily presented with the help of graphs. Number fourth is a time series data as well as frequency distribution. As we have discussed already, we have two types of data: time series data and frequency distribution. So time series data is that, or those data which are related with some time period, with months, with seconds, with hours, with years, with decades, etc. We can easily calculate averages like mode, median with the help of graphs. Also, we can easily calculate averages like mode, median with the help of graphs. Thus, averages like mode, median, they are also presented with the help of graphs. Number fifth is graphs help to know the correlation between the variables. Graphs help us to know the correlation, that is relationship. We can know the correlation or relationship between the variables. Like we can see the relation between price and demand, like cost and output, etc. So we can establish the relationship between the variables. Number six is dates of different variables are easily compared. Data of different variables are easily compared with each other. So we can compare the data. So comparison is made easily with the help of graphs. So data of different variables are easily computed. Data of different variables are easily computed. So we can say it makes the comparison easy. It makes the comparison easy. So data can be compared with the help of these graphs. With the help of these graphs. Now next is limitations. Limitations of graphical representation. Graphical representation. So what are the limitations? Now we will write down the limitations. पहले हम पढ़ रहे थे ये merits. अब limitations देखेंगे. Limitation क्या क्या है? It is difficult to understand. Difficult to understand. Understand करने में थोड़ी दिक्कत आती है. Difficult to understand. It may give wrong conclusions. Graphs may give wrong conclusions. Wrong conclusions. So these are some of the demerits or limitations of graphical representation. So this is all about the merits and demerits or limitations of graphical representation. Okay, thank you very much.